This is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showing you the UGREEN GaN Fast charger. It's 65W GaN Fast, and it actually has 3 ports. It's very neat. It has 2 USB-C, 1 USB-A, and a flip-out prong, so it stores nicely in your travel pack, like that. Very easy. Each USB-C port can do 65 watts independently, or a 22.5 watt, and that's why this port is purple, because they're usually blue and they usually only do 12 watts. So 22.5 out of that, 65 out of those, or you can plug in all of them at the same time and you get a total maximum of 65 watts output. Here's some more details about the wattage and what it has to offer. This is from a company called UGREEN, and this is the 65 watt version, perfect for your iPhone 13 Pro Max, iPhone 13 series, iPhone 12 series, your MacBook Pro M1 13-inch as well. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.